Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu narrates, Hazrat Umar bin Khattab got some land in Khaybar. So he went to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam for consultation and said, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I have got a piece of land in Khaybar and I have no piece of land nicer than it. What do you advise about it? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, if you wish, keep the land in your possession and give its first yield as alms. The reporter says, Hazrat Umar gave the fruit in charity on this condition that it is forbidden to sell, gift or give it as a legacy. It is endowed for beggars, the relatives, manumitting a slave, the wayfarers and the guest. A trustee is not forbidden to eat it, when he eats according to their need and give others to eat up. The reporter said, when I told Ibn Sirin this hadith, he said, the trustee must not be a grabber of property. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2737.